За guys өнөөдөр Adam одоо би хэл оролцолтой шууд тоглоом байгаа. За энэ тоглоом бол ерөнхийдөө бол хүмүүсүүдийг одоо энэ стран юм уу юу тийш оруулах үгүйгээ шийддэг. Тэгээ бөөм галтаа байцсан байгаа бол тэгээ шууд явна шүү. За тоглоом маань хэлтэй. Шинэ жилийн үдшилтэй юм уу? Your
approval with that green stamp would truly make my night unforgettable. Here you go. I hope it helps you. Thanks. I'm curious why you chose this for me. Great choice. I'm sure it'll help somehow. I totally understand. This must be a tough job.
The anticipation is thrilling. I'd love to see what awaits inside. I'm happy to share. It's all yours. Oh, nice. Thanks for being honest. I'll step away quietly. That was painful.
I'm sure you got a busy night, but I'd appreciate it.
Чамтай team member уулзаад байгаа шаардлага байхгүй дуу юу. Чамтай team member уулзаад байгаа шаардлага байхгүй юу. Ёо.
The atmosphere here seems amazing. May I come inside and enjoy it? No problem. I wasn't using it anyway. Feel free. It's not a big deal. I guess I needed some rest. Thanks for that. Here you go. I hope it helps you. Oh, nice. I'll just try again another night. Thanks anyway. Oh, no! That hurts!
My friends keep raving about what's inside. I'd really like to see it for myself. Here you go. I hope it helps you.
I'm
happy to share. It's all yours. That stings. Feel free. It's not a big deal. Looks like. No problem. I wasn't using it anyway. Feels good. You have. Cool. That might come in. That was not necessary. I'll respect the rules and step away without fuss. You want a piece of me? Come at me, bro.
There's 4 civilizations. Let's check this one out. Nah, bro has a weapon. You're.
What the fuck?
Your job's easy. Find me on the list and let me pass. No need for drama. You better appreciate that, idiot. Hope you know I'm not your mannequin genius. Taking my stuff without asking genius move. You better appreciate that, idiot. You're a little too handsy for my taste, idiot.
Hey, I don't recall asking for a wardrobe change, genius.
За чанд 11 хувц өмсөлөө ороод үзье.
If it's itchy, I'm blaming you, idiot.
Ороод үзье. Живсэг авчиргүй. What the fuck? Тлэн ална. Энэ яг лайт юм би. What the fuck? Энэ яг реклам байна. Ашиг. Okay. But no trick. За. Чийл живсэг авчиргүй гайгүй байна зөө. Чамаг
Hope you know what you're doing, dummy. Now that wasn't so hard, was it?
Ого ёо. За дараагийн өнгөрөө. Оо, боо, энэ зэвсэггүй
My
байна
night
уу?
will be complete if I get to experience what's behind these ropes. What did I do to deserve this? Do that again, I dare you.
Зэвсэггүй байна уу?
Hey, I don't recall asking for a wardrobe change. That's it, I'm done. You'll hear about this.
За броолчтроо.
Took you long enough to notice that, genius.
Oh shit, би чамайг оруулах гэдэг.
That is not useful. Well, obviously you let me in. Good call. How dare you? Do you know who I am?
Ёо, энийг явуулахгүй л энэ аваад алах юм байна. Дараагийн.
My friends told me the green stamp is a badge of honor. I'd be thrilled to get it.
VIP юм чи зүйл яриад хам алгаа ёо. VIP үнтэй энэ яриад.
No problem. I'll keep this in mind for the future.
Түрээс өгөх гэдэг.
Look how they're drooling over him. Well, probably enough.
Юуны хатрусыг өгөх гэдэг юм л та. За дараагийн гараа. What the fuck?
I've never been disappointed here, and I'm hopeful tonight will be different.
Энэ галтаа болчих юм уу?
Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. Here you go. I hope it helps you.
Oh, nice. Oh, sorry. Oh, oh, that's awesome.
I guess I needed some rest. Thanks. Oh, that was unexpected. Now, what did I do to deserve this? Ouch!
Yes, sorry.
Cool. I'm always up for trying something new. That's a nice touch. I appreciate the style.
Nice touch. Then this time you yung super. Inyag yate ba para? Tsaka din yung natin duro ito yung Wally Junior. Then you got
Feels good. You have a knack for this. Nice find. I hope it's useful to you. Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead. No worries. I didn't really need that right now. I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. Looks like you've got a good... Thanks for being polite about it. I appreciate that. Oh, no!
Oh, no.
I'm surprised they trust a nobody like you to handle admissions. Now let me in. You better appreciate that, idiot. You're a little too...
На Grand Mobile ты можешь стать кем угодно. Например, нелегальным гонщиком. Ты можешь начать с обычной работы, а закончить кем захочешь. Купить себе дорогую одежду. Купить дорогую тачку. Накинуть мощный тюнинг. И стать успешней всех. Grand Mobile. Скачивай игру в Play Market или Apple Store.
Guys. Нэлээ. Зэмэг хүн гаргаж чаддаг гэвчлээ шүү. Оо ягаад гэвэл 15 минутаас дэш гаргаж чадахгүй шүү дээ.
Fancy for my taste, idiot. That's a stunt you'll regret pulling, dummy. You'll be hearing from my lawyer, mark my words. If it's itchy, I'm blaming you, idiot. You're dressing me up now? Don't you have better things to do, dummy? If it's itchy, I'm blaming you, idiot. That is not useful, idiot. I'm glad you realized who's important around here. Do that again, I dare you!
I've been told the scene inside is unmatched. I'd be grateful to see it. Not my night, but I'm not upset. Thanks anyway. That hurt! I've heard your events are legendary, and I'd love to be part of it tonight. Feel free, it's not a big deal. You must have a good reason for this. I trust you. I'm fine with it if it helps you out somehow. No worries, I didn't really need that right now. Huh, this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory. That's a nice touch. I appreciate the style. Thanks. I'm curious why you chose this for me. I'm not sure how that can be helpful. I'm happy to share. It's all yours. Am I getting in? It means a lot to be welcomed like this.
Guys,